Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the planting area and tallest crop so the netting sits above plants without crushing them. Once done, select UV-stable netting with a mesh size matched to local birds, smaller mesh for finches, larger for crows. Make sure to lay out stakes or hoops along the perimeter now and set out twine and clips. This step prevents rework later. You're acting fast. Cutting and prepping netting to size next avoids gaps and saves time when you secure it. Now you build the protective frame. Install stakes or hoops at 3 to 4 foot intervals and create a raised support 6 to 12 inches above plant tips so leaves don't touch the net. Once the framework is ready, drape the netting loosely over it. You want slack to absorb wind and prevent tearing. Make sure to anchor the perimeter by burying edges or using pins and staples, and clip the net to the frame every 2 to 3 feet to maintain tension. Finish by trimming excess netting and creating dedicated access panels or zippers so you can harvest without dismantling the whole setup. Once installed, inspect weekly for stretch, holes, or sagging. Quick repairs with clips or patch tape keep birds out and extend net life. If birds are still entering, check corners and ground-level gaps first, then reinforce with extra soil or staples. You'll avoid collapsed nets by retentioning after storms and replacing UV-brittle netting seasonally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.